Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In case you are new here, hi, my name is Bia and I am incredibly passionate about makeup. On today's video, I am going to be getting ready with you guys to go on a date with my boyfriend, and I am going to do this very spicy and dramatic makeup look. I had planned something more casual and simple, but we both know how this usually goes. And by the end of the video, I'm also going to show you the outfit that I'm going to be wearing, because at this point, as I am filming this, I actually have no clue about what I'm wearing, which I am a little bit concerned about. All I know is that I want to look cute and be comfortable and also protected against the insane cold that it is outside. And yeah guys, without further ado, let's move on to the video. But first, don't forget to subscribe and like this video in case you haven't already. Now that I finally managed to get all of my hair out of my face, we can get started. Since this is a casual date, we are only planning to go to the movies. I'm going to keep it very simple, and I am going to start by using this Pixie Flawless Beauty Primer. I love this. I'm going to show you the radiance that it gives my skin. It makes me glow so freaking much. And by the way, I did my skincare before I started filming, just for the sake of simplicity. I am now going to color correct my dark circles, and I'm going to be using this shade. This is definitely the most loved one on the whole palette. And by the way, this palette is from NYX and it's called the Color Correcting Concealer Palette, I believe. And the difference that this makes is insane. It brightens so much and it gets rid of pretty much every single bit of pigmentation. Today is just one of those days in which I truly feel like I need to do my makeup because I just need this little bit of time to myself. I don't know why, and I don't know if you struggle with the same issue, but like some days I just feel so sluggish and not really good with myself, and doing my makeup just kind of recenters me and aligns everything in my head in a way. I don't know, like I just enjoy this. For foundation, I am going in with the Natural Radiant Longwear foundation from NARS. You guys know how much I love this. I really need to wash my brushes again. I always wash them on the weekends, usually on Sundays. This foundation looks so beautiful, guys. I only apply a very thin layer and look at the difference that it makes. And it's definitely longwear. And by the way, I have combination skin, and I know that people with the same type of skin as me and even oilier complexions are kind of scared of wearing foundations that claim to have a more natural finish. But honestly, at least for me personally, this lasts so well. It is definitely long wear on me. I'm thinking about doing a very soft and delicate eye makeup, but you guys know how much I change my mind throughout the videos, so no promises. For bronzer, I'm going in with my safest option, which is the NARS Laguna Bronzing Cream. I'm going to start by placing the product using this Japanese brush, and then I am going to use another Japanese brush to blend it. Guys, the amount of times that I forget to blend this line in here, and then I only notice after all the powder. I don't know how I forget it that many times, but it's almost always. Now I just need to blend it. That brush really gives me like the best placement. And guys, even though I have a boyfriend, like we have barely been going on dates because we've been really busy and we've been hustling really hard, but it's so good to be finally going back on a date with him and actually getting ready to leave the house, because even though we can go on more dates, that's for sure, sometimes we are just so tired that our dates are just around the house, like we cook dinner, we watch movies and stuff, but like it is nothing like official as it was when we were starting to date. So yeah, it's really exciting. And also, we are going to the movies. Can you guys even imagine how long it has been since the last time that I went to the movies? We are talking pre-pandemic times. The last time that I went to the movies was in 2019. I honestly have no clue what was the movie. It was a very long time ago, and yeah. Did I just apply too much bronzer? Probably. That sounds like something that I would do. For blush, I am taking the Rare Beauty Soft Pinch Liquid Blush in the shade Joy. I haven't used this one a lot lately. I have been sticking to the one in the shade Happy, but I love this one so much. And since I am planning on doing a more subtle eye look, at least I am going strong on the blush. I'm using my Real Technique sponge to blend it, and guys, this sponge is just so good. And I don't know if you saw my complexion video, but I love to blend my blush towards my under eye area because it also helps me color correct my dark circles. And once I apply the concealer, I just feel like everything just kind of comes together and the blush blends into the concealer perfectly. I don't know if you are a fan of the pink under eye trend that was going on TikTok. I think it is still going, but I definitely am, so I truly enjoy doing this. Also, I'm still going to apply the concealer, so even though it looks like too much, it's actually not. I just love the way things merge together whenever I do this. With whatever is left on sponge, I'm applying a little bit on the forehead. God damn, I look like I was slapped. I just hope that you cannot hear my neighbors. I am so sick of them. I've never had such loud neighbors, and honestly, I just want them to move. I seriously hope that they find a new house that they fall in love with so that they can finally get out of the building. I don't mean to be mean, but like, they are asking for it, you know? But anyways, for concealer, I'm going in with the Authentic Skin Perfector from Zoeva, and I am mixing both shades. When it comes to the outfit, I honestly am in one of those days in which I feel like I have nothing to wear. But we are going to the movies, so I'm just going to wear a regular top, some jeans, and just a cool jacket, probably. I have to tell you this. As you guys might have noticed by now, I am a very clumsy person, which is fine for me. But once I went to the movies and I decided to wear white jeans, as I was eating popcorn, a lot of popcorn fell because, once again, I am very clumsy. And guys, when I left the movies, I had popcorn stuck everywhere on my jeans. And the thing with white jeans is that everything stains them, and you can definitely see, so I was looking crazy. Luckily for me, I was going back home after the movies. I wasn't staying there to have dinner or anything, but like... Do you see what I mean? Everything just comes together and like all the transitions look very seamless. Now I'm going in with a liquid luminizer from Rare Beauty in the shade Mesmerized. I love me a good glowy skin, so it is about time that I start adding that glow. I completely forgot to charge my camera, aka the battery of my camera, so let's just all pray together that it doesn't die mid-recording. That wouldn't be good. When I build the glow by layers with that primer, with this one, and then the highlighter, and a luminous blush and stuff, everything just looks way more naturally glowy, if that makes sense, and it gives you even more of that glowing from within look, because you are kind of glowing from within, but like the layers of makeup. Guys, I am so covered in cat hair. Before I do anything else, I am going to do my brows, and I am going to do them on camera with you guys because I am back to using two products that I have been obsessed with again, which are both from Zoeva. They are like the same collection. This is the Remarkable Brow Pencil and this is the Remarkable Brow Gel. I love this so much, and the best thing is that it is not that pricey. It's kind of a middle price situation, and I love the formula. The pencil is very gentle. It is pigmented in the right amount, but it's very easy to work with, and the tip is so thin, and this spoolie is so like thick. I love this because it truly brushes the hair, especially if you are like me and you have thicker brows. This type of brush can be really helpful. Since I have pretty full brows, I do nothing but to fill the gaps and to blend it. Honestly, when it comes to going on dates with him, I usually go for more natural looks, unless we are going out to dinner or something like that. Other than that, I usually go a lot more natural. It just makes more sense, I guess, especially for the types of dates that we usually do, which is mostly like walking on the beach and stuff, things that do not exactly match very well with the full glam. This brow gel gets my brows in place in a way, guys. The spoolie is also very thick and kind of like stiff. It brushes my brows to perfection. And I don't know about now, but like when I bought this, I remember seeing these on the website being sold in a bundle, which obviously comes in a little less pricey. Bundles always give you a discount, at least for the most part. Honestly, I feel like brow products are so expensive normally for the amount of product that they actually bring. I don't even have to build my brows from scratch, and I feel like brow pencils do not last me that long. I'm going in with some setting spray, and I am running out of this one. This is the NYX setting spray with matte finish, by the way. While this dries, I'm going to kind of brainstorm what I'm going to do on the eyes. I haven't used this Stila glitter eyeshadow in a hot minute. It is not super deep, so that's what I'm going in with today. This is in the shade Smoldering Satin, but I still have to apply the powders and stuff. I just wanted to update you guys on my tiny conclusion. I'm going in with this KVD setting powder because I still haven't bought my restock. I think that I'm going to finish this one before I buy a restock, and then I might try the Huda Beauty one. I'm thinking about it. I've been seeing everybody on TikTok using that product, even if it's not the focus of the video, that I am honestly really curious to try it. I need to know what I think about it. Once again, I forgot to blend this. Great. I think that once I repurchase the Law Mercier setting powder, I am going to try the Ultra Blur Edition. I think it is the most recent launch. I'm going in with this bronzer from Too Faced. This is a travel size and it is the Chocolate Soleil. If you are thinking about buying this bronzer, just bear in mind that this is very pigmented and it's very easy to go in with a ton of product. And I feel like this product kind of has a lot of kickback. I mean, you can see some loose bronzer in there. I don't know if it is because it is the travel size or anything. It's dangerous, but I really like the shade. It's more neutral. For blush, I am taking the Shelly from Benefit. Okay guys, I'm going to let this bake for a minute and I'm going to get started on the eyes because I am running out of time. I'm going to start by drawing my eyeliner using this Zoeva pencil. You guys can see how much I love this. This is halfway through. This is the Limitless Dry Eyeliner Pencil in the black shade, which is called Trust. And the outer part, I'm going to... No, never mind. I'm going to try to keep this clean. I was supposed to start filming a lot sooner, but I pretty much have no time during the week to clean the house. And today is Saturday, so I was like, okay, maybe I should just clean the house right now. And yeah, that's what got me late. The movie is only like in 5 hours or so, but the thing is, I am alone at home right now and I hate to film while my boyfriend is at home. It's very kind of cringe to be talking to the camera knowing that he is listening. I don't know if I'm the only one, but like, it's just very weird to me. I just rather be alone while I'm filming content. I'm going to shut up and focus on this because I'm trying not to mess it up. Guys, I am just going to quickly smoke it out. I want to bring it inwards on the outer part of my lid so that I kind of start building that depth on the outer part. I am now taking the Tarte Let in Bloom from Tarte and I'm going to be using this for my eyeshadows. I'm going to take Activist. This is a very deep brown shade and I'm going to use it to smoke out even more the eyeliner and also to start blending it. I am now going to take Smarty Pens and I am going to use this as my transition. After all, I think I'm still going in a little bit more full glam. Guys, I deeply apologize for the crappy audio. And I was honestly just hyping this eyeshadow palette because the formula is incredible. The shades are so beautiful and it is such a versatile palette because you can do very soft glams with it. You have the shades to do so and you also have the shades to do a very extreme and bold full glam. And I feel like today I'm doing something sort of in the middle. I am now going to take Rebel and I'm going to use this kind of as a middle shade. And also this shade kind of pulls the same tones as the glitter that I'm about to use. Now moving on to the glitter. This is the one that I was telling you guys about. Okay guys, as you can see, it is not the lightest glitter, but it's also not the darkest. I just feel like it goes really well with this look. I'm going to draw the inner corner eyeliner. Guys, I am going off camera to apply some false lashes because that will definitely bring the whole look together and I will be right back. Hey guys, I am back. While I was off camera, I also applied the mascara to merge the lashes together and one last round of setting spray and now it is time for the highlighter. I think I'm going in with this one from Rare Beauty. This is the Positive Light Silky Touch highlighter in the shade Mesmerized. I feel like I need some glow, a lot of glow. I'm also going to bring some of the highlighter towards my inner corner and the inner part of my lid. Now I am taking the MAC pencil in the shade Spice. I started lining my lips with the MAC pencil in the shade Spice, but it honestly wasn't going so well with this eye makeup. So I am changing for the one in the shade Whirl, which is my go-to. I think I'm now going in with this Wet n Wild lipstick. This is the matte lipstick in the shade Sandstorm. I haven't used this one in a hot minute and I honestly love the shade. And please don't judge me, this is completely broken. I let it fall once and it just broke completely inside. I have really dry lips, so I do tapping motions on my lips when applying lipstick. That is it for the makeup look. I am now going off camera to take care of my hair. It is pretty straight already, but it still needs a little bit of a touch, so that's what I'm going to do next. Hey guys, I am back. This is the final makeup look. I will also insert a clip in here of my outfit once I figure out what to wear. I honestly have no clue about the outfit, but since we are going to the movies, I am going to keep it casual, keep it comfortable, especially when it comes to the jeans, because we all know how bloated we can be after eating that much popcorn. So yeah guys, that is it. In case you guys want to binge watch my content, here's a playlist full of videos that I am sure that you guys are going to love. And before you leave this video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and like this video in case you haven't already. Bye guys, and I will see you on my next one.